Ready?
No.
Hello. Who's texting me now? Let's see. Leanna, roses are red, violets are blue. I was born sexy. What the fuck happened to you? Just kidding. I love you. Send this to 10 people or be cursed on Valentine's Day. No sendbacks. Pfft, stupid stuff. Can I help you? What are you holding the camera on me for? Freak. I'm gonna throw a attack at you. Oh.